Hello, my name is Mark Thatcher, and I am going to demonstrate EVAsoft's Chart View tab. We just took a series of x-rays, and now I can click on the Chart View tab, and it will load all of those x-rays in anatomical position in the chart view. Down below in the film strip, we can also see and laid out every x-ray that we took in that chart for this active patient, Frank Sinatra. Another way to get to the Chart View tab is from the Patient tab. I can double-click on a patient's name and double-click on a study, and it will now show us those x-rays for that patient. Now we have sub-tabs in the Chart View tab. We took these x-rays in the full mouth position for the active patient, Coco Chanel, and we can look at them all anatomically. Also, we can create, or EVAsoft will automatically create for us, but we can view the bite wing chart, because we took 4 bite wings for this patient, Coco Chanel. So EVAsoft will automatically give us the option to click on the bite wing sub-tab, and this will show us the bite wing chart. This is particularly helpful when you would like to print a specific chart. I can always come here to the print chart button, and if I click on this, we will print the active study that we are looking at, the bite wing chart. Or I could come back to full mouth examination and click on print, and then we will print out this full mouth examination. Another feature of the chart tab is the select patient study to view. We always have our entire patient's history at our fingertips. So for example, our current patient is Coco Chanel, and the current study we are looking at is from Thursday, April 28th. With this drop-down menu, I can click and look at any other study that I have taken on this patient, Coco Chanel. By single-clicking an X-ray, we can select it, which will later bring us into the diagnosis view. I can also single-click an image to deselect it. Now, another feature of EVAsoft is that if you take an X-ray in the wrong chart position, you can simply click and drag it into the correct chart position. So let's pretend for a moment that this bite wing actually belongs in this position. I can simply click and drag the bite wing here and release the mouse, and it will reorient in that position and then save for that chart. So in the future, when we pull up this study for Coco Chanel, we will see this x-ray in this position. Of course, this is out of position, so I will click and drag it and put it back in that chart position. Thank you very much. That is the Chart View tab.